This essentials kit bundles newborn and size 1 diapers with multiple types of wipes, so new parents have a complete diapering setup from day one. The diapers focus on keeping delicate skin healthy by managing moisture, reducing friction, and adding barriers that help stop leaks and blowouts before they happen. A built-in wetness indicator takes the guesswork out of changes, which is especially helpful during those sleepless early weeks. The included wet wipes rely almost entirely on purified water with very few added ingredients, making them a gentle choice for sensitive or easily irritated skin. The dry wipes are generously sized, biodegradable, and can be used either damp or dry, so they replace a lot of separate cloths and paper products around the nursery. All items are made with plant-based materials, are dermatologically tested, and avoid common irritants like fragrances and dyes, which gives extra peace of mind for babies prone to eczema or redness.